Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Knorr tomato soup more tasty. To start, consider adding fresh herbs like basil or oregano. They bring a vibrant, fresh flavor. For a richer texture, stir in a tablespoon of heavy cream or coconut milk. You can also sauté some minced garlic and onions before preparing the soup to build a deeper flavor base. These simple steps significantly elevate the taste. Next, let's talk about spices and acidity. A small pinch of red pepper flakes can introduce a subtle, warming heat without overpowering the tomato flavor. To brighten the soup and cut through any richness, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice works wonders. For a more complex, savory note, try stirring in a half teaspoon of smoked paprika. These additions truly transform the profile. To make your soup a more substantial meal, consider adding protein and texture. Cooked chicken, small meatballs, or even chickpeas are excellent choices for a heartier dish. For an interesting textural contrast, top your bowl with crunchy croutons, a sprinkle of grated cheese, or a dollop of fresh pesto. You can also stir in a quarter cup of cooked pasta or rice to make it even more filling. For truly gourmet touches, try roasting a cup of cherry tomatoes until they're caramelized, then blend them into your prepared soup for intense flavor. A dash of balsamic glaze or Worcestershire sauce can also deepen the umami profile significantly. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. These small additions make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.